FluidHose and Coupling has over 40 years of experience delivering a wide range of industrial, hydraulic, and gas pump hose, fittings, and accessories. We are dedicated to service a broad range of industries from original equipment manufacturers, steelmaking, mining, oil and gas, manufacturing, food processing, transportation, service, military, maintenance, repairs, operations, and more. With over 40,000 square feet of warehouse space and multiple locations, we are able to deliver over 10,000 stock items to keep production moving and companies going. We carry the best products from the world's top manufacturers. FluidHose is one of the largest distributors for Goodyear engineered products and Manuli hydraulics worldwide. We carry a full line of industrial and hydraulic products, specializing in rubber and stainless steel hose to fittings, gauges, and clamps. FluidHose also carries specialty products such as pressure washer hose, core blast hose for the steel and mining industry, and gas or curb pump fittings and assemblies. FluidHose is a full-service company, providing our customers with custom-made assemblies in the shortest of timelines. In-house pressure testing up to 25,000 psi, hose tagging and efficient use of the hose registry database, hose crimping up to 6 inches in diameter. Whether it's replacement parts or a solution to a brand new challenge, customers trust FluidHose's reputable service, cost-saving ideas, and quality of products. Our experienced staff are trained to analyze and understand customers' needs in the most effective and efficient ways. With full-time engineers on staff, we are able to assist with design, manufacturing, and quality on standards and processes. We at FluidHose and Coupling are proud to be registered to ISO 9001-2015. We are proud to have the following certifications: CRN number assembly certification capacities, UL certifications, customer training programs for crimpers, product and safety, EDI capabilities, VMI vendor managed inventory programs, hose integrity program, Lean Six Sigma, an active health and safety committee. We are always striving to improve our customer service with process improvements, new branches, and increased training and product availability. Philanthropy is a large part of the company's culture. The Diabetes Hope Foundation fills the gap and helps families struggling with the financial and emotional challenges of children living with diabetes. At FluidHose and Coupling, we are committed to delivering the very best product, coupled with superior technical and sales support. Ongoing continual efforts are made to ensure that our services and quality are second to none and exceed all expectations. We believe in first-class customer service and unparalleled products and services to ensure FluidHose and Coupling is your engineered solutions provider.